Jesus, may special position siya as the Son of God. Pinili siya para maglingkod sa atin and iligtas tayo. And
a time comes in our Christian life when we need to learn to depend on God for all our needs. We see the provision of God every day.
sign in the presence of his disciple, which is are not recorded in this book, but these are written you may believe that Jesus is the Christ, the Son of God, and that by believing you may have life in his name.
Amen. So, from giving progress to the simple, knowledge and discretion to the young. Then the wise is
Pwede yung heart, yung ears, and yung eyes po nila para malaman kung ano ba about the Lord. So, nahihirapan po sila kasi wala po silang idea about God. So, pero, because of God po, tutulungan po tayo kung paano i-open yung sarili natin sa Kanya.
At malayo tayo sa mga malinawain. Kung meron tayong holiness at kabanalan, yung mga dati natin ginagawa, kahit ako meron akong mga dati ginagawa, na ngayon ay binabago ni Lord. Kung si hindi namin binago na siya ni Lord. Binago na siya. So yun yung number. Number 2 is spiritual. Kadalan is buhay spiritual. Kasi parang nilalaman ng art of winning. Number 1. Sabi dito is, if your heart is not selfish, and you desire to help people to attain God's saving grace, the best thing you can do is to prepare.
Maligtas yung makakilala yung tao kung pamamagitan mo. Gamitin ka ng Lord.
Ang natin na malaman dyan is mapag-aralan at malaman na ang kahalagahan ng tithes.
Sabi doon, doon tayo aalas sa mismong nakabol, which is the God is true. Alam naman natin na talagang napakabuti ng ating Diyos sa ating buhay. Kasi, ano man yung mangyari sa atin, ano man mangyari na hindi natin inaasahan, is talagang yung kabutihan ng Lord, yung nauna or una-una natin piniisip at talagang yung word na goal is talagang ina-apply natin sa ating sarili